This is a welcome to a video by Abron Exports. This is a multi-parameter pH meter, MV meter, and it has a facility of temperature, automatic temperature probe. This one is a automatic temperature measurement, and TDS can be measured, temperature can be measured. This has more probes are there for dissolved oxygen, TDS, and other parameters can be checked. It comes with the standard solutions with the pouches or bottles, and conductivity is also for calibration. These solutions are for calibration. You have to make a solution in 250 ml solution water bottle. On this one it comes with a 100 ml bottle when capsule is to be dissolved. For on the back side you have, on the back side you can see this one is for power, which is a USB, and one is a conductivity probe. You can attach it, temperature probe. It comes, the temperature probe is pin like. This one is a pH and MV probe. It has a single pin type probe which is attached here, and there is a one conductivity probe here, and this one is for DO probe. There are 2-3 more parameters can be measured. There is this probe is conductivity probe, which is open from bottom. This is a temperature probe, which is a metal tube, stainless steel tube, and this one is a pH electrode. So you have to take it out from the solution and then dip it in the, wash it in the distilled water and then dip it in the solution. After use, again back, you have to put it back to the solution so that it is always wet, it is not dry. For switching on the instrument, you have to just press it. When you start it, just press it, it automatically switches on, goes to the measurement. When now TDS probe is attached, so TDS is being measured, and then you can go with the mode, which mode you want to go. For any calibration, you have to go to the calibration mode. The standard solutions are, this is for conductivity standard solution, and for you have to make a pH standard solutions is already ready to use. And for memory, you have to press the MI, means it goes the data into the storage, and MR means memory recall. You can recall any data which has been stored earlier. And then this is a very useful instrument for all testing of the in the lab for research and industrial use. Please visit the website, and this website is Abron Exports. Email is abron01@gmail.com. WhatsApp number is 94160200018. Another is 99922222049. Please visit the website, share the videos, like the videos, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.